And good morning, everyone. I hope you are excited about today. Today is Friday, and that means that we only have 3 more sleeps until we get to see each other at school. Wow! Time is going so quickly because we're all ready to be together and have some fun. Let's do our calendar. I've moved our red box to today. First, we need to know it's Friday. Then September the 11th, 2020. Let's see if we can put that together into a sentence. Today is Friday, September the 11th, 2020. Well done, my friends. I can't wait to see you on Zoom very soon. Today, we're going to have a look at our classroom. We are going to talk about how things are going to be a little bit different at school. And for all the moms and dads, I will be sending out more information on how things are going to be working next week later this afternoon. So we're still working very hard to make sure everything is organized. And as soon as I have all that information together, I will send it out on Class Dojo. So please keep your eyes on Class Dojo this afternoon or maybe early evening, depending on how quickly things happen today. All right, everyone. I will see you at 8 o'clock for our first morning Zoom on our last day for many of us on online learning. Can't wait. Bye for now.